Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to graft, you can say, big plants which are more than, you can say, 2 years or 4 years up to 50 years or 100 years. Plants can be grafted by this way, and there are so many ways of grafting. In the on the same trees you can cut it in the month of January, and whenever there will be branches, small branches will arise in future, means after 2 or 4 months, consider that. Then by V grafting or cleft grafting or softwood grafting, you can shift such type of more than 5 or 10 mango science, by which you can get qualitative mangoes. Now this one is, you can say, 5 years tree of mango. Now we are going to shift 3 to 4 different varieties of mangoes here, and this one is a tree of about 5 years, and it was not, you can say, giving fruits, and that's why we cut, and it was simple, you can say, simply desi, or you can say forest mango, and that's why we cut from 2 to 3 feet from the ground level. Why we cut it from 2 to 3 feet? Because consider that whenever there will be, you can say, whenever you will get success of new qualitative science, then the branches will come and they will, you can say, touch to the ground, and just you will get fountain like plants, or you can say peacock size. Whenever means peacock means, you can say, flourish its feathers. So that type of, you can say, jhupkedar, you can say, or round in shape, fountain like shape mango tree will be there, and you can pluck by standing all the mangoes without any ladder or stool or chair. So now how to do graft here? Now you have to give 2 vertical cuts, parallel cuts. Understand, the distance between 2 parallel cuts should be not more than, you can say, 3 centimeter, and which, you can say, tools you have to use. You must have, you can say, steel knife which is used in our, you can say, kitchen, and the blade should be, you can say, thick. But what about, you can say, thin knife? You can purchase thin, you can say, you can take a thermocol cutter, which you can buy from the market by paying 5 or 10 rupees. But before giving such type of vertical cuts, you have to clean it by spirit, by quenching it in the spirit, and after completion of work you have to clean it with the same. So guys, what type of means, which variety you have to take in your surrounding or in your premises or elsewhere, you can say, search the qualitative mango trees, and you have to defoliated these mango branches there. Already I, you can say, uploaded 5 to 6 videos of how to select cyan. Cyan means the branch or stick which we fit or shift at the time of, you can say, grafting. It may be V grafting, shield grafting, or other types of grafting of mangoes. The same cyan should be used everywhere for mango grafting purpose. So you have to see in my playlist how to select cyan. Even you can use fresh cyans also. How to select fresh cyans or instant cyans, those videos are already in my video playlist. Now dear friends, I would like to request you, you must understand, subscribe my channel and like it also, and there is notification, for notification there is symbol of bell, bell icon. You have to click it for new videos notification, and whenever I will upload new videos, you will get you can say notification, by which you will be in good touch with my new videos. And what about old videos? You must go in my video playlist. How to search a video playlist already I explained in my so many videos. You have to click my name, which is already given below my all videos. Now how we are giving wedge cut. This is called wedge cut or V cut, understand. Now that should be slant, and on the both the side bark should be there, such a way. So in so many videos I already told you or prescribed, or you can say explained, how to give this V cut or wedge cut or chisel cut. So the length of you can say that cut should be, you can say 5 to 6 centimeter. If you are giving two parallel cuts for shifting or fitting such type of a sand about 5 to 6 centimeter, then what should be the, you can say, length of that cut of mango sand? The mango sands V cut should be of 1 centimeter less than the, you can say, vertical cuts. Consider that is 5 or 6 centimeter. So you have to give 4 to 5 centimeter V cut there. Now after shifting, we consider that is the half, you can say half feet circumference is there, and that's why I means you can I am fitting or shifting 4 sands here, and these are of 3 to 4 qualities. That is, one is of foreign quality, another one is of Amrapalli, and next one is of Kesar. So such a way there are 3 to 4 qualities already. All these are the instant sands, understand. Quickly I means you can say plugged from my courtyard garden, and two from my friends plants, which are means fruiting plants. So now after fitting, we have to tie these with the help of plastic strips. There are 2 videos how to prepare plastic strips for, you can say, grafting purpose. So 2 videos are there in my video, please you can see here. But as you consider that you are interested to do this, you can say grafting, bar grafting, then you must have this 52 micron polythene bags. You can get these polythene bags in polythene houses. I mean there are special shops of polythene for polythene sellings, you can say, such a way. So go there, and the rate of that 52 micron polythene is about 200 to 300 rupees. That varies from place to place, and if you want to take or buy single polythene bag, then you will have to pay not more than 25 rupees per piece. So okay, after making the such a polythene and winding it and tight it, understand, you have to again wind this total portion with the help of such type of a rope, that may be plastic rope or jute rope, as you like, but tightness should be there. Now after this tightness, you have to cover the upper part, upper cut part, understand. And one solution we use there for avoiding fungus. So there are fungicide, types of fungicide in market. Now half a spoon or little to pinch, you can say, keep in the center of that cut part, and only crush it by or spread it with the help of little finger, but it should not touch the bark part, understand. Only in the center you have to keep, and after completion of that, you can cover with the help of polythene to all the sides and tight it, understand. Dear friends, important thing is that after you can say covering that total sand with the help of polythene, lower means downwards end should be, you can say, tightly winded. But what about the upper part? At the upper part means to the polythene, you have to means make 2 to 4 holes, understand, by which the vapor can be, you can say, escape from the holes. Such a way you can keep, you can say, away moisture, and by which you can keep or you can guard, you can say, that total sands from the fungus. Already we have means kept a fungicide there, but if we do not have fungicide, so there is no need, but hole should be there, understand, to the covering part. Thank you, and you must like and subscribe.